In this video, we will learn how to use defining relative clauses as subject and object. We use defining relative clauses to say exactly what people or things we are talking about. We use who to refer to people and which to refer to things. Let's look at some examples where a relative clause is the subject. I have a friend who is very diligent. This is the website which has great deals. That can be used for people or things. My sister is the woman that is wearing an orange top. I like food that is organically grown. The relative pronouns who, which, and that can function as the subject or object of the relative clause. This is the watch which my brother gave me. My brother is the subject which did the action, and the watch is the object which received the action. They are the students who are in her class. Subject. They are the students who she studies with. Object. This is the book that has the answers. Subject. This is the book that I told you about. Object. When the relative pronoun is the subject of the relative clause, the verb agrees with the noun that comes before it. He likes video games which are challenging. When the relative pronoun is the object, the verb agrees with the subject of the relative clause. Those are the video games which he was playing. We can also use the possessive whose as the relative pronoun. Whose shows that the noun which follows it belongs to the preceding noun. She's the photographer whose picture won first place. Her picture won first place. She's the barista whose coffee tastes the best. Her coffee tastes the best. We can omit who, which, and that in object relative clauses, but we can never omit whose. Mark is the friend I hang out with the most. Did you read the book I lent you? Italy is the country I most want to visit. She's an author whose books have sold millions worldwide. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.